How to save items to watch list in eBay. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to save items to watch list on eBay, you may just head over and follow up these steps. So head over to eBay application and open it up on your particular device. You can even head over the website if you prefer. After that, you may just go ahead and look at the product that you would like to add to watch list. So you can use the search bar at the top and basically search for the product that you would like to add up to watch list. For example, I would like to add this Rolex watch to watch my watch list. So you can basically look out for the search the product, sort it out, filter it out. After that, once you find the specific product that you would like to purchase, tap on it and look out for the details page. And once it opens up, you may scroll down and you will be finding option called add to watch list, one with the heart icon. All you gotta do is simply find it. You will be finding this option within each of the product, every product in the application. Just go ahead and tap on it like this, and the product will be added to watch list. You can basically head over and look out for your watch list within your account and go to my eBay, go to my watch list, and they you will be finding a product that you've added to your watch list. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to add products to your watch list on eBay, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.